Lesson 4, Keyboard Shortcuts. In this lesson, we'll take a look at using the old Excel 2003 keyboard shortcuts and the brand new Excel 2007 shortcut system. Well, the good news, any of the old keyboard shortcut keys that use the control keys continue to work in Excel 2007. So Control C for copy, Control V for paste, Control B for bold, Control S to save, Control P to print. All of those commands continue to work, the control keys. Now, for Excel 2003, there were many Alt keyboard shortcuts. And to figure out the Alt keyboard shortcuts, you had to look at the letter that was underlined in each menu. So for example, Alt D would open the data menu, Alt W would open the window menu. Alt O opens the format menu, and here's part of the format menu from Excel 2003. The C or the R or the H would get you to column, row, or sheet. Once you pressed Alt-O-C, you then had choices for A for autofit, H for hide, U for unhide, or S for standard width. So if you wanted to change the width of all of the cells to autofit the selection, you would have used Alt-O-C-A. Well, notice that we don't even have a format menu anymore, but yet these command sequences continue to work. If I select a range and press Alt-O, immediately I get this Office 2003 access key that says, hey, I understand you're typing one of the old keyboard shortcuts. Keep going. You'll notice that it doesn't give you any clue as to what you were typing because they actually want you to have these memorized. They don't want to propagate people learning these keyboard shortcuts in Excel 2003, but you have to keep going. So there's the C for column and then A for autofit. As soon as I get far enough, I've entered the full command, it goes ahead and does the command. So this is pretty cool, and it actually works for everything from edit through window on the old menu. Some of the file commands continue to work, but that's just because they happen to match the Excel 2007, and the items on the old help menu no longer work. Most of the Alt keyboard shortcuts work, but it's not all of them. There's a few on both the File and the Help menu that no longer work in Excel 2007. Now let's take a look if you've never memorized the old keyboard shortcuts but want to start using keyboard shortcuts in Excel 2007. There is a great way to go. All you have to do is press the Alt key. When you press the Alt key, you'll notice that each ribbon tab has a letter: H for Home, N for Insert, P for Page Layout, M for Formulas, A for Data, R for Review, and W for View. We also have F to open the Office button. So let me press the N to go to the Insert tab. Now, every menu item has its own letter. So for example, V for Pivot Tables. That means that the new keyboard shortcut will be Alt-N-V, and I'd be able to insert a pivot table. Notice that even the dialog launcher here for charts has its own keyboard shortcut. So Alt-N-K will get me to the old chart dialog. The interesting thing about this is just about every menu item now has a keyboard shortcut. In the past, there were some menu items in Excel 2003 which did not have an underlined letter, and so it was difficult to invoke those with the keyboard. Here in Excel 2007, you'll find that every single item has a keyboard shortcut. Now, even if I'm already on the Page Layout tab, when I press Alt, I still need to press the P to light up all of the letters for the various options. Notice the Print area, which is a drop-down, is the R shortcut. When I press R, I then get additional keyboard shortcuts for Set Print Area and Clear Print Area. So Alt-P-R-S would be the new keyboard shortcut to set the print area. Now, the one thing that I'm rather disappointed with in the new keyboard shortcut scheme is the Quick Access toolbar. They automatically assign numbers 1 through 3 to the Quick Access toolbar. Let me add some new icons. We'll customize. I'm just going to randomly add 15 new items to the Quick Access toolbar and click OK. Now when I press the Alt key, you'll notice that they use the numbers 1 through 9 and then start backwards with 09 through 01. My problem with memorizing the keyboard shortcuts on the Quick Access toolbar is they are too fluid. If later I add a brand new icon or rearrange the icons, let's say I would add a new icon here between 3 and 4, then all of the other keyboard shortcuts are going to shift. I'm not going to spend any time memorizing keyboard shortcuts on the Quick Access toolbar because frankly they're going to change the next time I customize the Quick Access toolbar. So I would rather that they just didn't even offer these. It seems silly. I'm not going to memorize any of these numbers because they're going to change, and certainly they're going to be different as I go from Excel computer to Excel computer. Someone else is going to have a different icon up there, and those keyboard shortcuts won't translate at all. Well, so there you have it. All of the control keys continue to work. In Excel 2003, if you had the old keyboard sequences memorized, they'll work. However, if you just want to learn the new keyboard shortcuts, just hit the Alt key and it will walk you through the commands that you need to perform any action using a keyboard shortcut. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.